Good morning, everyone. This is a trade I'm in on the Dow. You can see the Dow's been going up. I think it's going to retrace at the 10 o'clock market report because I see sellers stepping in. And the stochastics is actually overextended. So I only paid $25 a contract, not a high risk trade at all. So I'm going to pause the screen and we'll see what happens. Okay, this is what I mean by I saw sellers stepping into the market. You also have the ADX overextended as well as the stochastics. In fact, you've got trend divergence on the stochastics. The ADX should be plotting a magenta peak, which means we'll get a magenta dot here pretty soon, and that will push price down to 19,884. My strike is 19,897. So this is why I thought it would push it down. So far off the market report, we hadn't had any reaction, but that's kind of typical during a holiday season. And if you go and look at the 45-minute, you also see that sellers are stepping in on that bar. You also see that the stochastics is overextended. So I've got 3 different time frames that are telling me that there is a potential for this market to go down. The fact that this was unable to take out this high is actually a pattern that confirms the market should move down. But again, the market pretty much does what the market wants to do. Because my risk on this was only $25 a contract, I'm not trying to manage it. I managed it on entry by using an out-of-the-money binary option. Just like I anticipated them to take out this high, they did not take out this low that's highlighted by the blue dots. I'm allowing it one additional 3-minute bar before I exit the trade, because this may stay in this range. I'm in an out of the money binary, so I'll go ahead and exit if the price bars do not break below this line of congestions, or really below the ATR. Now I've changed this to a 3-minute so that you can see what I'm seeing. You can see we had an up bar, this closed down. As long as this continues down, I may consider holding it. We do have really slow movement because it's a holiday. Well, it's not a holiday, but we're in a holiday week. So we're getting really slow action. Okay, in this example, I'm going to go ahead and exit this trade because I'm not seeing any sellers stepping into this market, and I can save, a little bit of money on that risk. So I went ahead and exited. Now let me show you what. You can see as it came back to actually test this ATR, see how the selling volume has decreased. Also notice over here, no sellers came in. I had an opportunity to save from having a full loss to just about half of the loss. So I went ahead and exited. I don't like to trade on hope. I like to trade with very specific criteria for both entry and exit, even early exits. And in this case, going down one time frame, said, this trade might not work out in your favor, so go ahead and scratch the trade.